Hi, welcome to American Sign Language. My name, Dr. Weiss. Let's play. We're going to learn our ABCs. You're going to use your dominant hand and put it right next to your face. All letters are facing outwards. This is the A. B, C, D, E, F, G, I'm going to have the thumb hidden behind, H, I, make sure it's forward, not like this, but like this, J, you're going to scoop it in, K, thumb right here, pointer finger up, middle finger up, L, M is going to take my thumb to my pinky and then the 3 down, N, thumb to ring finger and down, O, P is your K and you pop it down, Q is your G and you pop it down, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's do it all together. I'm going to sing really slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are you singing with me? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Let's do some fingerspelling practice. Take out paper and pen. How do you think you did? You can rewind it and watch it again before getting the answers. Okay, here are the answers. Number 1, can. Number 2, bat. Number 3, win. Number 4, fog. Number 5, the. Number 6, girl. Number 7, hat. Number 8, love. Number 9, play. And number 10, dog. Keep practicing.